To change your battery on an in-the-ear hearing aid, there's two sides to your hearing aid. This piece here with the white circle is the piece that goes down your ear, and then on the back of the hearing aid here is the piece that you can see. You've got a slight lip. All you would do is open this lip and you can see there, that's your battery casing. Thumb and forefinger, and you would remove the battery, and that can be recycled with your normal batteries. To pop a new battery in, you'd get a new pack of hearing aid batteries and you'd turn it over. There's a small lip in the middle and you've got a turntable here. Every new battery is attached to a sticker, and as soon as you release the sticker, so you remove the sticker off the hearing aid, off the battery will start to work. You've got two sides to a battery. You've got one side that's flat. If you've got good eyesight, there's a little cross. The underside has got a little ridge. You always put the ridge at the bottom and you just line up the casing here. And again, thumb and forefinger, you'd line up the battery in the casing and you would close the drawer shut, and that's the battery changed.